Good evening to everyone present here. Today I will be speaking about measures of central tendency, an important concept in statistics that helps us understand and interpret data more effectively. In our daily life, we come across many types of numerical information. Marks scored by students, prices of products, temperatures of different days, or heights and weights of people. When we have a large amount of data, it becomes difficult to understand it just by looking at the numbers. This is where measures of central tendency help us. They give us one single value that represents the center, typical, or average of the entire data set. The major measures of central tendency include mean, median, mode, harmonic mean, and geometric mean. So first, let us look at arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is commonly known as the average. It is calculated by adding all the values and dividing the sum by the total number of values. For example, if the numbers are 4, 6 and 8, we first add them. 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 18. Then we divide by the number of values, which is 3. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is 6. Next is median. Median is the middle value when the numbers are arranged in ascending or descending order. For example, consider the numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. The middle number is 7. So the median is 7 here. If the given number is even, we have to add the middle numbers and then divide by 2. So the next one is mode. Mode is the number that appears most frequently in a data set. For example, if the numbers are 2, 4, 4, 5 and 6, the number 4 appears 2 times, which is more than the others. So the mode is 4 here. The next one is geometric mean. Geometric mean is the nth root of the product of n numbers. It is commonly used in growth rates and financial calculations. For example, if the numbers are 4 and 9, we multiply them first. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Then we take the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. So the geometric mean will be 6. Next is harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocals of the numbers. It is usually used in rates such as speed. For example, if the numbers are 2 and 4, we take their reciprocals 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Then we add them. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Then we divide the numbers of values, which is 2 by 3 by 4. The result is 8 by 3, which is approximately 2.67. Importance of measures of central tendencies. These measures give us one single value that represent the entire data, making it easier to compare, analyze, and make decisions. In any data set, measures like mean, median, and mode help to find out one value that best represents the whole group. This makes understanding the data much easier. They help in comparison. When we want to compare two groups like two classes, two schools, or two products, central values help us compare them quickly and fairly. Useful in making decisions. Governments, teachers, businesses, and researchers use these measures to make decisions. They reduce complicated data. Instead of looking at many numbers, we use one meaningful value. This reduces confusion and makes explanation simpler. They identify patterns and trends. These measures help us see how data behaves. For example, if the mean temperature is increasing every year, it shows a trend of warming. They are the foundation for higher statistical analysis. Many advanced statistical methods use mean, median, and mode as their starting point. Without understanding these, deeper analysis is not possible. Next one is advantages of measures of central tendencies. They are easy to understand. They give one simple value that represents the whole data set, making it easier for anyone to interpret and explain. Helpful for comparison. We can easily compare two groups using their central values. Summarize large data. Instead of dealing with many numbers, we get a single summary value. This makes big data sets simple and manageable. Useful in decision making. Foundation for further analysis. Disadvantages of measure of central tendencies. They may not represent all data accurately. A single value cannot describe the entire set perfectly. Affected by extreme values, especially the mean can be disturbed by very high or very low numbers. Example, one very high mark can increase the average unfairly. Not suitable for all types of data. Mean cannot be used for categories like eye color or favorite fruit. Median and mode may be more useful there. Different measures may give different results. Mean, median, and mode may not be equal. This can sometimes confuse interpretation. Not enough for full analysis. Central tendency alone does not show the spread or variation of data. Measures of central tendencies are very useful because they make large data simple, help in comparison, support decision making, but they also have limitations, such as being affected by extreme values and not always representing all kinds of data perfectly. So they should be used along with other statistical tools for better understanding. In short, measures of central tendencies are essential because they summarize data, make comparison easier, support decision making, and help us understand patterns. They are the basic tools in statistics that turn raw data into meaningful information. Thank you.